Hello. Hello everyone. Good afternoon. I'm Twinkle Chavatia from Ivy Labs and I'm working as a front-end developer since 4 years in Ivy Labs, and currently I'm working in a WIX studio since 2 years. And one of WIX specialist with us, Hiran. Yes, Hiran.
Hi everyone, can you hear me? Uh, I'm hoping that everyone is able to hear me. Thank you, Twinkle, for inviting me for this webinar. So let me introduce myself. My name is Hiran Das. I take care of partnerships and product localization for India for WIX. And this webinar is about WIX Studio, which is one of our latest revolutionary product by WIX. There are many products that we have, and this is one of the amazing product that is built for developers and businesses also. Now, why you should be using Wix Studio and why it is the future of web presence, I'm sure Twinkle will cover in her presentation when she talks about the benefits of Wix Studio and how it can make you stand out of the crowd. Um, in your digital presence, which is a very important factor in today's world, considering how everything is digital. So I'm sure Twinkle will give a great presentation on what Studio is and how it can elevate your experience. After the presentation, we will take up all your questions. I just want to instill this fact on everyone that Wix is in India as a team right now. We are there to help and support our partners, our users, and we have come up with great products like Wix Studio, which can improve and change how your presence is on the web. So please have a look on the presentation and listen to what Twinkle is saying and have a list of your questions. We'll be happy to answer after. Thank you very much. Twinkle, please take over and uh, show us what you have prepared. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, Hiran. Okay, then we can start with the presentations. So, first of all, our topic is what is low code and no code platform. Then, low code and no code platforms are developers' platforms that enable users to create your application with minimal hand and coding, allowing those with varying levels of technical expertise to participate in the application development process. So, for the beginner levels, we can no experience in coding, so we can use the low code no code platform. So first, our low code no code platform is the Wix Studio. So what is a Wix Studio? Wix Studio is a popular website builder platform that allows to create a website using a visual drag and drop editor. Then the this platform we can use for the agencies and freelancers who can create and develop their website to the any scales. Then we can create a freely on Canvas, including in pixels and responsive editor that optimizing designs for every screen size. So we can use Big Studio for any type of websites, like we can create a e-commerce website, we can create a portfolios, then we can create any landing page type website, anything we can create with a Wix Studios. So then we can show the benefits of the Wix Studios. So one by one we check the what is the benefits of the Wix Studio. So first benefit of Wix Studio is the design with grids. So you can show here what is grid first of all. So grid is one of the most powerful responsive layout tools. We can use our website to we can use this tool for the website to our integrations. Then there are two types of grid tools are available. One is section grid and another one is the css grid. So when we can use section grid we can use to add anything cells in the sections, and css grid we can use for the sections and containers, both as well. Mostly we preferred in our studio website we can use the section grid. Then our next benefit is the animations and interactions. Animation can really take your website to the next level. There are five types of animations are available in the Wix Studio. Animations appears which visitors hover over, click animations, then scroll and element animations. We can add an entrance animations for when the element first loads, or one of the loops continuously animations, all without a single line of code. So there are multiple types of animations available. You can show the besides video, there is multiple types of animations are available. So you can interactive your websites with these animations. Then our next benefit is text mask effect benefits. Text masks are the great tool, the short pieces of text intended grab visitors' attentions. We can set the text background feel like an image, video and gradient, so it's a much more noticeable on the page. You can show the besides video how text are effect with the text mask effect. Then our next benefit is responsive AI. After design a section on the desktop view, the responsive AI tool makes it looks great on all the breakpoints, allowing faster and more efficient site creation. The responsive AI tool is automatically identify groups or related elements in your layout. Then it applies the best layout tool for each group. For example, grid, group, stack. In stack there are two types of stacks are available: horizontal stack and vertical stack, and adjustment definitions. For example, size wise adjustment, responsive behavior wise adjustment, to ensure they look great on all the breakpoints. So we can show here the video how they all the breakpoint wise responsive AI is worked. Then our next benefit is multilingual. While setting up Wix multilingual, you choose whether to translate your content manually or automatically. Using Google Translate, your entire site can be translated instantly into a language of your choice. With Wix Multi-Language, we can switch between languages with as and edit as translate as much as we need. So we can translate how many content we want to translate in the another language. We can translate it. Then our next benefit is e-commerce capabilities. Wix Stores is an e-commerce platform that offers you tons of existing features to help you create a stunning and professional online store. We are constantly providing the Wix store and adding new options. Uh, Currently multiple e-commerce platforms are available like Shopify's, WooCommerce, Dukan. But in the ever expanding world of online commerce, business have an array of options when it comes to setting up the digital store in front. So Wix provides a platforms for e-commerce known as a Wix stores. First of all, what is Wix stores? So Wix Stores is a seamlessly integrated into the Wix website builders, offering users a convenient all in the solutions. Wix Stores also boost a wide selection of templates specially tailored for e-commerce. Also, Wix stores provide essential such of product listing, order management, inventory management, process payment. These all types of components provide to Wix Studio in a Wix stores. Then our next benefit is marketing and SEO integration. So in marketing SEO integrations, there are multiple types of integrations are available for the SEO in Wix Studio. One is Auto 301 redirects. So Wix Studio provides the feature that allows us to set up uh, 301 redirects to automatically redirect visitor from one URL to another URL. Then optimizing robot.txt file. With Wix Studio simplifies the process of creating and managing robot.txt files for the website. Dynamic XML sitemaps. Wix Studio offers the ability to generate XML sitemaps dynamically, which is essential for the SEO. Compressed site images. This is most important topic for our website. That is compressed site images. How it works, in Wix Studio, this is provide a features for optimizing and compressed our site images for the improve performance our website. Then edit SEO setting by page type. In that, in that, Wix Studio provides the ability to edit SEO settings on a page per basis. Then Google Search Console integration. In Google Search Console integration, it is the most important part of our website, which is Google Search Console. Why? Because it's working and it's monitoring our website to the managing and Google search results, that how many clicks are available, how many clicks are in our websites, then how many rate are in our websites. So Google search console integration is the most important part of our websites. So Wix Studio is a very easy to provide us this SEO integrations and marketing regarding things. And our next benefit is data storage as per requirement. In data storage, requirements are important factors to keep in mind to make sure that your website runs as smoothly as possible. Storage refers to how much images, how much content we show, like images, file storages, any type of files like PDF, doc file, anything to your can to store your data in the server. There are multiple plans are available for the data storaging. First plan is the light plan, then core plan, then business plan, business elite plan, and enterprise plan. All the plans, they have multiple storage provided, like light plan provided us to 2 GB storage data, then core plan provided us to 15 GB data storage, then business plan 100 GB data storage, business elite and enterprise plan provide us to unlimited data storage. Then our next benefit is the enhanced security. In enhanced security, we can enable two-factor authentication for the Wix account for the multi-layer security. Then we can add any authentication app for the for the password. Then we can take regularly backup our websites to quickly recover the event data when we lose or any security incidents. Then we can also clearly communicate with our website to add privacy policy and terms of use or use policy to add our website. This helps to build and ensure transparency about how to handle our users data. Then we can add a role based access control to restrict permission based on user roles. So these types of benefits are available in the weak storage. Okay, you can see the perfect example of the Wix Studio. This is the text mask effect for the first section. Then we can go slide down further and check the animations. Yeah, we can add this type of animations to our websites to more interactive. We can use the grid like this. Then we can add animations. So we can check here to the responsive AI for the generating AI tool. You can give the sliders for your websites. You can if you want, you can add any CSS elements for the websites. So this type of benefits are available for the Wix websites. Okay, so now you guys have any question, then feel free to ask us.
Very nice. Thank you very much. I think it was very detailed and a lot of tech stuff. Many people in the audience, I'm not sure how many um, are techies and how many wouldn't have understood that language if there were any. Um, I would like to maybe give a gist of what Twinkle said about Wix Studio, and also she showed two examples in the slide which are built by one of our other great partners that we have in India. We have a huge WIX partner network, which means there are a lot of people, skilled people, and who are well versed with WIX as a platform, WIX Studio as a platform, all the products of WIX, which helps a business having a great presence online. So that was two of the examples in the e-commerce segment. However, since Wix is a broader web development platform which caters to all categories, so you would have a lot of other businesses like hotels, restaurants, real estates, adventure park, universities. So from all different types of categories, industries, education, healthcare, hospitality, everyone can build a website on Wix very easily and have great web presence because Wix Studio gives that kind of design capabilities, which is very futuristic and without very complex coding required, very interesting, unique way you can have your web presence ready, your website ready, which can be done by our amazing partners that we have in India. So, any questions that you guys have? Uh, I'm sure there could be many because even I was thinking in one or two slides this was too techy for me maybe sometimes, but then yes, we can take all the questions. They have shared their support ID. You always have, anyone always have an access to support.wix.com where you can find all the answers to all the queries related to any product. It's a great knowledge base for anyone to follow, even for developers and for users alike. Uh, Please tell us your questions. Twinkle, are we getting them in chat?
Um, yes.
Yeah. Okay. In which the responsive behavior is not automatically done. We have to do it manually. Actually, this is solved with WIX Studio. So WIX Studio is 100% responsive. It caters to any screen size, absolutely no restrictions. This is a responsive platform. So um, which was not the case with the earlier editor. Earlier editor was adaptive. This is a 100% responsive platform, and any screen size, everything gets responsive and aligned as per how you would want it to happen. Next question. Okay. So if um, with respect to design, Wix Studio is futuristic. That is why I guess we are proudly able to say that it is futuristic because it takes care of these type of very common futuristic requirements, which is like going to be a norm in the future. Responsiveness is already a norm and a requirement. So Wix Studio solves that. And there are many other design functionalities like designing pixel. Then there is an AI, the package responsiveness, triggers, animations, mouse parallax effects, section grid, repeaters, a lot of the things that Twinkle was talking about, CSS grid, flexbox, stack designing, text animations, custom CSS, video box, having transparent videos, section backgrounds, automatic gradients, amazing things that you can do with design. However, you can imagine your website to look like, you can have it done through Wix Studio. So that is responsiveness is one of the very primary basic requirement that it's on. Yeah. The CEO with Wix Studio is also amazing. Um, Unlike how the perception was earlier, Wix has come a long way in improving how SEO works in your websites, and Wix Studio takes care of it in a large way, and AI as well. Yeah. Twinkle, any other
Yeah.
question?
Currently not received.
Okay.
Okay, guys, if you have any other questions, then ping us on the support@ivilabs.com. And also, Hiran gives her mail ID
Yeah.
support@wix.com.
So support.wix.com is the website, not the mail
Yeah,
ID I was talking about. Any information you will find there, you can also contact support if you have any requirement related to your existing Wix website. If you want to reach out to the team in India, we are available on LinkedIn. Our email addresses are also there. You can get it from Twinkle as well. Um,
yeah,
can I type it and paste it here somehow? Or you can paste uh, Twinkle, my email ID, hiran@wix.com. Absolutely give us a mail if you have any queries or if you have any uh, requirement with respect to learning Wix Studio. If you are an agency, definitely let me know. I take care of partnership. And you can also talk to support at IB Labs. They are one of our partners. You can check out wix.com/studio to see how amazing it is. I think Twinkle, you can share those links
links.
here
Yeah,
if you can. Yeah.
yes.
Mm. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining and sparing half an hour of your busy schedule for this webinar. I hope it was informative. Um, and if you have any questions, we are available to answer. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you very much.